Hello, it is Friday, March the 7th, and a lot has been going on this week. Looks like we got landscaping in, the appliances such as the oven and the stovetop are in as well. So let's go take a look at what was done this week. Starting at the front of the house, we have the sod here in. The plants are in with its mulch. The sod is right now dormant and in a few months will be green. The backyard, they put in a live oak in the back over there. And on the other side, we have these three beautiful magnolias that were also put in. We have the stovetop in now as well. The countertops have a protection of this film on top of it, and also the oven and microwave are in. This is the dining area looking back, and then we have this view here of the beautiful living room with that amazing looking fireplace.